Did you know that the average lead capture rate of a quiz is 31.6%? And the rate amps up even more when the quiz is placed on a popular social media platform like Facebook. Facebook, being the most popular social media platform with over 1.93 billion daily active users, exposes your quiz to the widest audience. This certainly shoots up the chances of your quiz going viral. But why do Facebook quizzes go viral? They're highly engaging. They initiate an interaction. They're visually appealing. They feed on the human tendency to know more and more about oneself. If you haven't explored this mode of the lead generation yet, you are missing a big opportunity to grow your business. In this video, you'll learn how to create Facebook lead quizzes and share them on your Facebook page, and expand your brand reach by up to 5 times. You can create a viral Facebook quiz from scratch, but why waste time and energy when you have 100+ templates available for you to get started with? Let's pick a personality quiz template for this video. Personality quizzes have a higher chance of going viral on Facebook, simply because they intend to reveal something about one's personality. If you are creating a personality quiz, remember to give it an interesting title and add an equally interesting image, as it's the first thing your quiz takers will notice. The title and image of your quiz should catch users' attention. It's important if you want people to take the quiz and share it with their peers. For example, quiz titles such as, "Which Game of Thrones house are you from?" or "Are you meant to be an entrepreneur?" What type of job should you have based on your personality? Which color is your aura? Which country do you belong in? What style of fashion suits you the most? Ignite a sense of curiosity. So, when they surface on Facebook, your audience can't help but take these quizzes. Spend as much time in building your title as you'd in writing the rest of your quiz. The most difficult part of building a quiz is thinking of questions. Drafting the right questions can be very challenging and take up a lot of your time. Don't worry, we've got your back. You can easily import questions from our question library of more than 100,000 ready-to-use questions on a variety of topics. Just type in your topic and search for questions in our library. Choose the most relevant questions and import them directly into your quiz. What's more, you can even import questions from a previous quiz. Add images to answer options and even questions. The main purpose of creating a viral quiz is to capture leads. ProProfs offers a customizable lead form that you can attach within your quiz. You can use this quiz form to capture quiz takers' information, such as their name, email address, or whatever else you deem important for your marketing campaigns. Make sure that the lead form appears before the results of the quiz do. That was all about creating an interesting quiz. Now, let's learn how to make it viral. Creating shareable customized results is the key. People love sharing results that boost their personalities. So, it is crucial to create positive results that the quiz takers would love to share with their friends and peers. For a personality quiz, you don't necessarily need to create customized results, since personalities revealed at the end of the quiz are the results. However, you can always add a personalized note with each personality type to delight your quiz takers when they finish a quiz. So, before saving your quiz, make sure you've turned on Facebook sharing under the Social Media Settings tab to enable sharing of quiz results. For example, in a quiz called, "Which superhero are you most like?" the result would be one of the personalities the quiz is based upon, such as Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, and so on. Once the quiz takers complete the quiz and get to see the results, they would love to share it with their friends, boasting about what kind of superhero they are. Now that you know the magic recipe for going viral, get going. Create your viral Facebook quiz on ProProfs right away. We're here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base, so it's easy to get started.